Hey you guys, it's time for me to really see, do I have some potatoes? I planted about 3 little pieces of potatoes. We're gonna see. There's one little bitty ass potato. Look at that little potato there. Wait a minute, we're gonna have to turn this out. Let's flip it over and see what's going on, because that's a little baby potato. Ooh, oh my God. Oh my God. Hell is those? They all over the place.
There's a potato right there.
Right here? Yeah. They little. They were eating my potatoes up. Oh, there's a bigger one. I don't want to bruise them.
Use a shovel probably, huh? What are those, ants?
Yeah.
That's normal?
I don't know. All I
I see
know.
stuff crawling everywhere.
Yeah. Oh, they so little. They weren't ready to come up.
Oh, I see stuff crawling everywhere. Let me see. Show the camera. Is that a potato right there?
Where?
On that right there on the thing?
There's a lot of potatoes right here.
Wow, you really grew some potatoes. Wow, that's a big one. Wow.
They didn't start doing something else.
What is it? What is that? Like a cluster?
Yeah, a little cluster of them. Ooh, he rolled on over there.
You made like the snacking potatoes?
That one's rotten. Oh,
Wow, this is interesting.
oh, they all so little. Bad video, bad video.
Oh, they real small, like marble. Look at that one right there.
Baby potatoes.
You made some though.
He was a little size. Look at that one. Oh, little baby ass potatoes.
Anything you want to say to your followers?
It didn't work out like I planned. Oh, I gotta. Maybe I pulled them too soon. They might have need to stay in the ground a little bit longer. But see, I see that one was rotten in there.
Wow.
Oh, there's some more in there.
Oh, there's more.
Oh yeah, it's more.
Okay.
Let's see. Let's see what we can do.
The soil's so hard, huh?
Oh,
What's in
I thought
there?
it was a big one. It's still a baby.
Yeah, I guess you had to put them together to see how many came out, huh? See how
You're
many.
supposed to, but these potatoes are so little.
They look like little marbles. Wow, we just rolling all over the place.
Yeah. I'm not too happy with this little harvest.
Here, I'm gonna go get you a pan for your potatoes. Be right back.